Moringa tea, brewed from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, has gained popularity in recent years for its remarkable health benefits. Often referred to as the miracle tree, Moringa is rich in essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that contribute to overall well-being. Let's dive into the myriad of health advantages that this herbal tea offers, and why it deserves a place in your wellness routine. Nutritional powerhouse Moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and iron. Just 1 cup of Moringa tea can provide significant amounts of these nutrients, making it a great addition to your diet. The high vitamin C content can boost your immune system, helping fend off illnesses, while the calcium and potassium support bone health and regulate blood pressure. Antioxidant properties. One of the standout features of Moringa tea is its high antioxidant content. Moringa leaves are rich in quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, which play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body. Antioxidants are essential for combating oxidative stress, a leading factor in chronic diseases and aging. By incorporating Moringa tea into your routine, you can help protect your cells and maintain overall health. Supports healthy digestion. If you struggle with digestive issues, Moringa tea may be the answer you're looking for. The leaves contain fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Moringa tea has been traditionally used to alleviate constipation and bloating, making it a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to soothing the digestive tract, allowing for smoother digestion. Boosts energy levels. Are you feeling fatigued or sluggish? Moringa tea can provide a natural energy boost without the jitters associated with caffeine. The nutrients in Moringa, especially its high iron content, can help improve oxygen circulation in the blood, leading to increased energy levels. Drinking Moringa tea can help you stay alert and focused throughout the day, making it a perfect alternative for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response by the body, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems. Moringa tea has potent anti-inflammatory properties due to its high concentration of compounds like isothiocyanates and flavonoids. Regular consumption of Moringa tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Promotes healthy skin. Moringa tea isn't just beneficial for your internal health, it also offers advantages for your skin. The antioxidants found in Moringa help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging. Moringa tea can help improve skin clarity and elasticity, giving you a radiant complexion. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe skin irritations and promote healing. Balances blood sugar levels. Research has shown that Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a promising option for those managing diabetes. The compounds in Moringa can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Incorporating Moringa tea into your diet may support better blood sugar control, making it a beneficial addition for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes. Conclusion: embracing Moringa tea for a healthier life. Moringa tea is more than just a refreshing beverage, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. From boosting your immune system and energy levels to promoting healthy digestion and skin, this herbal tea has a lot to offer. As with any supplement, it's essential to enjoy Moringa tea as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. So why not explore the wonders of Moringa tea? Brew a cup today and start experiencing the incredible health benefits that this miracle tree has to offer. Embrace the power of nature and take a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you.